Okay, let's see the another picture. So this one is, you can see a cylindrical, a body which is cutted as one section here, and this is something inclined. So the starting point is we have to make a cylindrical part, and then we will do further. So start, go to new. Okay, we have to work. This cylinder is vertical, so we will draw on top plane. Select top plane, go to sketch, features, and make a circle, and make another circle also. Click OK, and the dimension is matrix. Okay, so we are in MNGS. So outer circle is 80 diameter. Outer circle is 80 diameter, and inner circle is 50 diameter. So inner circle is 50 diameter, and simply go to extrude it in upside up to length up to length is, you can see this one, 70. So select 70 and click OK. Okay, we have to cut a section here. So we simply make a rectangle of 10. This is length of 10, and so okay, sorry, this is not 10, gap is 20, and okay, just gap is sufficient. So simply we can, okay, we have to draw on this face. So select this face and select sketch, go to sketch, make it normal, and draw a center line here. Make sure that that is horizontal, and press escape, and make a center rectangle. Okay, we cannot find a center here. Okay, so for this, delete this line and make a center line only up to from here to here. Okay, now you can draw a rectangle, center rectangle from its center. Smart dimension, this length is 20. Okay, so this is whatever you want, but make sure that is outside. It will cover whole of this area and this area too. So extrude cut, move it over here, and see the distance, the depth. Okay, 10 deep, so make it 10 and click OK. Okay, this is done. So our next step to make this section. So for this we have to work on front plane. So go to features and sketch, make it normal, a horizontal line which is passes through the center is 20 mm depth. So make a line which is in middle of this, and okay, and make one inclined line also, continuous line. Exit, give this dimension to 20, and okay, this is also 20, this point to this point. So this point to this point, make it 20. Okay, we have to cut this section. So simply first make it close contour, make it normal, and close this contour. Okay, done. Go to features, extrude cut, select blend from blend to mid plane, and extend the distance till it cover whole the a part of this one, and done. Oh, so okay, we created this part also. Okay, thank you.